What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gage, everyone's favorite reseller in recovery. And today I got some more RC content. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Fcx24 unimog camper shell that's 3D printed and sold by freerc.com. I ordered it the day that it came out. I was checking because I seen on the FreeRC live stream that it was coming out. And I ordered it the day that they put it on the website because I'm going to try and modify it to fit it on the trail hunter, Cr18p Trail hunter that I own. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox that and some high clearance links. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a shout of that. But if you could do the YouTube things for me, hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe. All those things really help out the algorithm to get my videos out to more and more people that might enjoy this cool, positive content. And I really appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a shout of what I got going on. Thanks. Alright, let's see. Now, FMS FreeRC, they're based in China, so this came all the way from China. Box, not bad condition compared to some of the stuff I've gotten from Temu. Okay, we'll start with this here. These are high clearance links for the trail hunter. They only came in black, but they have little aluminum on the bezels, so I think they'll still probably look all right. It's got the, here's the rear, front, and it's got the upper that you replace in the aluminum too. So now pretty much everything on the trail hunter besides the portal covers are going to be aluminum. So we got that. We got this package pretty good. There we go. There she is. I opted for the black option. It was 26 bucks for this, or you can get it unpainted and without the windows put in for $19.99. This was $26.99, I believe. It's got all the windows in. Looks good. It's paint job is pretty good. You can see a little bit of layer lines through the paint here, but it's got a nice rivet pattern. Doors don't open, but yeah, it's got a nice rivet pattern, vents. Down here it's got little doors that look like storage or something. Got some step sides here. Underneath this, here's the mounting holes for if you had the Fcx24. Since I'm going to be putting in this on the Cr18p, or trying to, I won't be using those. I'll probably have to fabricate my own mounts. But when I seen this and the rivets and everything, it just gave me like an armored truck kind of vibes. So I'm gonna put mesh in the windows or cover them and put like gun ports in them, cover them with armored plates, or make them look like bulletproof glass with the mesh. And then on the top, I'm gonna put my light bar on the top, and I'll possibly put like a turret or something up here, because it's going to be like a Wastelands apocalyptic vehicle. I'll have more videos coming up to showcase that, but I just want to show you that. And I'll go ahead and get these installed, high clearance links, and I'll show you what that looks like, and if anything I run into anything of note. Okay. Alright, just kind of imagine that. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to start on these links. Okay. Got all the high clearance links on the back. The only problem is I didn't get the bolts of the front because I'm missing one of the top front ones right up here. I'll have to go back and watch my video to see if it came with it, because I only got one here. There's tops for the back but only one for the front, so I have to go watch my video to see if I lost it. But I'm tripping out because I searched all around. I only opened it right here and I don't see it anywhere. So I'll comment down below if you see it, if it was in the package earlier, if I could find the other one, or I get a hold of FRC and they send me another one. I'll go ahead and replace those. That way I don't throw off the bias too much. But it's not that heavy, so what I might do anyways is take the brass wheel weights out of the back wheels. But I have to weigh it anyways. It's actually probably, yeah, it's definitely front bias now anyway, since I took all this stuff off. And when I put this on, it's just going to be not for crawling, it's just going to be for show, and then I'll take it off when I want to crawl. So that's what I got. That's the camper shell high clearance links. Thanks for being here on my journey, and let's keep doing this RC thing. It's a lot of fun. Hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe for more cool RC resale, diamond painting models, all kinds of stuff like that. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.